Hello everybody. Today I'll be talking about Twister from SMK Helmets. Its ergonomic design makes it convenient to maintain by our users. It is very easy to do replacement with any SMK helmet. Let's find out how.
To remove the cheek pad, first unlock the chin strap. Then gently pull the right cheek pad from the front and you will hear a click sound of the two snaps opening. Then pull on the inner side of the cheek pad such that the plastic sheets come out of the helmet. Now unlock the third button on the back side of the helmet by gently pulling the cheek. Finally, to free the cheek pad, remove the chin strap from the provided slot. Now repeat the same process for the other side. To put the cheek pad back in place, first insert the chin strap in the slot provided in the cheek pad. Now align the cheek pad with the helmet and insert the plastic sheet in the provided slot. Push the plastic sheet in place, then push the three snaps one by one. A click sound will confirm their placement. First, remove the two snaps on the back of the helmet. Then unlock the three locks of the bandana in the front of the helmet one by one. To unlock the bandana, gently push the bandana down using the thumb and unlock. To put the liner in place, first gently push the Bandela lock down and insert it into position and release. You will hear a click sound of it being put in place. Repeat for the other two locks. Once this is done, spread the liner inside the helmet. Finally, push to close the two snaps on the back of the helmet. Open the visor till the third last step. Then simultaneously pull the two levers down using your thumb or fingers. Once this is done, just push the visor back all the way gently and it will come out. To insert a visor, align the pivots and L-shaped legs on the channel provided on the visor mechanism. Once this is done, just push the visor down and close. To replace the visor mechanism, first remove the visor. Then use a screwdriver to open the screw. The visor mechanism will come out easily. The new visor mechanism will have L and R marked for the left side and right side. Pick the right one and place it in the slot provided and just screw it back using a screwdriver. Open the Sun Visor first. Then pull out the Sun Visor out of its slot one by one. To replace the Sun Visor, ensure that the Sun Visor is in the open position. Then align the Sun Visor slot with the visor mechanism bracket provided and push it in, and the click sound will confirm that it is in place. Now repeat same for the other side. Gently pull the stop fin starting from one side to remove the leg of the stop fin from the chin guard. Then gently pull from the middle and the other side and the stop fin will come out. To insert the stop fin, align the snaps with the slot provided in the helmet and gently snap it into place. Align the hole on the breath deflector on the chin bar boss and push it in place. Repeat for the second hole. After this, if required, adjust the breath deflector on the chin bar. Align the Bluetooth cover in the L-shaped lock and push the U-lock into the slot provided and snap it close. First, gently pull the front snap on the air vent. Then pull the base and cover front and they all will come out easily. Now to replace the base of the front vent, align the plastic legs on the hole provided on the base of the helmet and snap it into position. To insert the top part of the front vent, align the two legs on the channel provided and press to snap it into position. First, gently pull the top snap on the air vent. Then pull the base and cover front and they all will come out easily. To replace the top vent, align the two plastic legs with the slot provided on the base of the top vent and snap it into place.
See how easy the entire replacement process was. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you.